Hi, I'm Jason Tierney and I'm applying to be a Microsoft Student Partner for the academic year 2011 to 2012. This year's topic regards how technology can help change the world, and I'd like to discuss how cloud computing fits this bill. Cloud computing isn't necessarily a new form of technology. In fact, it's been around since the early days of the internet. However, in the past few years, its popularity and usefulness has definitely grown exponentially. Cloud computing is going to change the world in several different ways. First, from a business perspective, cloud computing is going to give businesses a better way to handle their IT services. Instead of businesses going out and buying hardware and software in one lump sum, businesses are going to be able to spread out this expense over years. This is going to allow businesses more cash flow in the short term and long term that they can then invest in their products and services, enabling them to have a higher ROI on their IT services than they had previously. Now, another benefit that cloud computing offers for business users is that it gives them access to newer forms of technology, whereas before many businesses would have held on to legacy software for a very long time. Now businesses are going to all of a sudden go from being legacy software users to first movers and using the latest and greatest technology, because most cloud services are going to be auto-updated on a regular basis. Now, from a consumer point of view, users are going to be able to have several different benefits. The number one benefit of cloud computing from a consumer perspective is probably automatic data backup. Now, the key aspect of this is that users will no longer really have to worry about whether or not their data is safe, because if they choose a good and reliable data backup service, they're not going to have to worry about their data and their videos and pictures being erased when their computer crashes. Now, another major benefit for consumers is the availability of these services anywhere and at any time, which means users will be able to access their email, their calendar, their videos, and their pictures online at any time and anywhere that has internet access. Now, this is definitely changing the way that we have recently been using computers, in the sense that we don't necessarily have to be tied to our desktop anymore. We can go anywhere that there's internet service and be immediately connected to what we need right away. Now, finally, cloud computing offers another major benefit, and that's for users that haven't previously been able to use these tools and services. For example, Office Web Apps offers a great way for users to create innovative content. Now, from a user who hasn't normally been able to have access to these types of tools, they can now be able to use Office Web Apps for free from any internet-enabled PC, and they can now create this content that they can use in both business and in their personal lives. Hopefully, cloud computing continues to be innovative and continues to change the way that we interact with each other and the way that we interact with our computers. And I hope that you enjoyed watching this video and learned a little bit about me. If you want to learn a little bit more about me, you can visit my blog at winquire.wordpress.com or follow me on Twitter at jctierney. Thank you very much again for watching this video, and I certainly hope you enjoyed it.